Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on our video. So now we are going to follow this article and learn exactly how we can enable our dark mode. So first, you will be needing to access your Google Messages app, and then we will be needing to go to the messages setting, and we will find them by going to our profile picture that we will be showing here at the corner. So make sure that you are on the home page where there is the list of your conversation, and from there you will find your profile picture. You click on it, and then we will need to go to messages settings. We click on messages settings, and then we will be able to find our dark mode option. So it will be shown on the settings tab, and then we will find, or we will need just to search for it. Here it says enable dark mode. If you had it disabled, of course you will need to make it enabled. Otherwise, if you want to remove the dark mode, you can disable it however you would like. Now you will be able to start having like a Google Messages with a dark theme, and then you will be also able to do it for your browser or web application version, and you will be needing to do the same things. You will be needing just to go to the Google Messages settings and then go to General, and from there you will be able to select the dark theme for your web Google Messages. And by that, as you can see, you will be able to have it from there, and you might have also some other ways to do it. For example, having to choose the theme, and this is just for the browser, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.